So welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna have the long-awaited first race for the widowers right there in the top loft. So little information about the race. It's only 100k. As you can see, the skies are very clear. It's actually perfect weather, not too warm either. So, and actually a little sneak peek. I arrived a little bit too late. It's now 13 past the hour. I thought that we're gonna arrive between 15 and 20 minutes past the hour, but we actually already have 6:11. Oh, here's another one. There's one. En dan niet goed valt. Ja, okay. So that's our second bird, because we already got 6:11 3 minutes ago. Yeah, very unsuspecting. That's actually the one that's always loose, who always goes in the wrong box here. It always traps in the wrong trap. But yeah, so now we have two birds. 6:11 is gonna be very early. And then this one's gonna be decent. Yeah. So a blue bar, one of the yearlings. It's their first time. Don't expect them to really land on the burst on the board first time. So he'll do it. I'll start it up. Oh, I just missed that one landing. That's a darker one. He's gonna try and land here as well. There's 2 or 3 birds that are really hard to get them to land on the right platform. Oh, yeah, I'll start it up. I don't know if you guys can hear the little jangle, but the little sound. That's when they've landed on the board and registered on the machine. So here's our 5th one. The grizzle and the thingy. And the red arrived at the same time. And that's always a bit tricky for them to drop. Oh, he dropped next to it. En is dan even gevallen. Really was expecting the grizzle to be earlier. Yeah. Yeah, he used to be quite good in the beginning of the season. Usually did worse at the end. But yeah, apparently not this season. But yeah, anyways, it's already too late, so it doesn't really matter. 6:11 arrived about 11 minutes ago, so you're not gonna be in any type of prizes anymore at this point. But yeah, this was our 5th and 6th pigeon or 6th and 7th. I'm not sure. I think 5th and 6th, but yeah, out of 12, which isn't that great, but it's to be expected. The first race. Yeah, we'll see. So here's another one, about a minute or so after the last clip. Already came from that direction, which is the opposite, so we flew way too far. Which most birds are gonna be coming out of that direction now, so Looks like he's not tired yet. Usually you do have him at 200k. We might have actually had him at a middle distance race as well. So, oh, one of this flock just flew over, and it looks like another bird turned out of it. But he might just be going towards ours. Yeah. Notice how he's still speeding up. This is a bird to like fly a lot further with, which we might do. We'll see how he does on 200k and then how things go from there. So yeah, that's him. He'll go in the wrong loft as well, usually. Not the blue, but the other one, the pencil. Yeah, he always does that, so... But yeah, luckily we did place some registering boards there as well. Some sensors. So even more than 20 minutes later, I think, this one arrived. There's a black one. We have one black one with a white flight. Not a good bird by any means, I don't think so. But yeah, again, most of these are gonna go to 200k. Don't think we're gonna do 200k yet next week, but the week after for sure. So yeah, we'll see. So that's our 9th bird. Still 3 birds somewhere in the air. So I will share the results here after this clip probably. So we're actually in 2 races at the moment. One in our own town and on the Diamond Federation, like the main one. And then we have the other federation in Bevel, which is that direction, which we also... So we had 6 birds in one and 6 birds in the other. So we're gonna have 2 result sheets. So yeah. So yeah, as you can see, we got the results here now. Turns out we only have 1 prize with 611 here. So he got actually quite early, but not as early as I thought he would be. He got 34th place out of 640 pigeons basically. So that's basically like top 5%, top 6%. I was expecting him to be somewhere in this range. But yeah. For the other guys, actually he arrived at 10 past the hour, and then all of these guys arrived within 3.5 minutes. Meaning that our second pigeon, which was 14 minutes past the hour, so 4 minutes behind 611, wasn't even on the sheet anymore. So yeah, that's what you get when it's a fast 100k race. But yeah, we will be moving these guys to 200k soon. Most of these pigeons are better on 200k than they are on 100, and obviously there's still a lot of room for improvement in the like the shape they're in at the moment. They're not in the best shape. We actually dewormed that loft as well. We took them to the vet. Turns out they had worms, so we dewormed them as well. But yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and have a good day.